Hello and welcome to today's episode where we are exploring a powerful thought climbing the ladder to success. No matter how much you know, or how skilled you think you are, or how many degrees you hold, remember that you might still find yourself standing on the first rung of a ladder looking upwards. If I may say so, we all start somewhere. Whether you are a budding entrepreneur, a student, an aspiring artist, or just someone eager to make a change, it is easy to forget that your expertise is a journey, not a destination. No one starts as an expert. Everyone has to start somewhere, and it's never straight at the top. Think about it like building a house. If you rush through the foundation, the whole structure could be unstable and collapse. Take another example learning a new language. If you try to learn everything at one go, it can become confusing. But if you take it step by step, starting with basic words and gradually moving to more complex sentences, you could build a strong grasp of the language. That would be more effective. Don't you agree? Rushing into something head on always leads to some degree of errors and oversights. Have there been times when you thought you knew it all, only to realize that there was so much more to learn, perhaps even unlearn and relearn? That's being on the first rung of the ladder, and most importantly, acknowledging that you're just beginning, no matter what is your level of skill or knowledge. Find mentors or role models. You don't need to look for the rich and famous. Anyone who has walked the talk is worthy enough. Unlearning is as crucial as learning new things. Most significant breakthroughs come from questioning long held beliefs and adapting to new perspectives. Of course, it goes without saying that the learning should never stop. Steadily and slowly climbing the ladder with persistence and thought isn't just about pacing yourself. It's about ensuring that each step you take is a solid and meaningful one and setting you up for a long-term success. To wrap up today's episode, let me leave you with this thought. Being on the first rung of life's ladder isn't a place of weakness or regret. It is a powerful starting point filled with hope and potential. If you've enjoyed this episode, don't forget to share it with others who you think might benefit. Until next time, rewire life in 1.5 minutes with me, Hira. Namaste.